Y'all see that thing shining? Yeah, everybody working. What's up with the guys, man? So, man, I'm over here. Gotta take this down. All right, man, I got a problem with my dryer, man. My damn dryer not even getting cold. I mean, getting hot no more. Let me get this out, man, because I definitely gotta get this thing on the road. They close at 5:30, so I got like 45 minutes. God damn it. So I gotta move this car in my truck just to get that damn dryer out. I gotta do it by myself, man. I'm gonna give y'all the 401k once I get this dryer and stuff loaded up. So all right, guys, so I'm gonna have to see if I can get this damn dryer in here some kind of way. I got a lot of stuff right here, but hopefully it'll fit. Hopefully it'll fit, man. I got like 30 minutes now. Man, I'm gonna have to move this, move this. All right, guys, bear with me. Why is I'm drying it twice? So I'm thinking the more clothes you put in there, then the more it's not gonna dry. If y'all don't have a wash and dry at y'all house, man, I advise you to please invest in one. All right, guys, what's good, man? It's your boy Doinks, man. We back with another banger. Y'all, I'm riding in the truck, man, because I'm in a hurry. Gotta go down here and get my damn dryer fixed. Goddamn dryer went out on me. And I can't be wearing I actually wore my damn coat to work damp and it smelled mildew. I was like, damn, some stink. I was like, damn, that's me the whole time. God damn. So now I don't want to get down like that, dog. I started YouTube, I think 2 years ago. Last year, I was just trying to get my subscribers. I think I was trying to reach 1,000 subscribers and all that stuff. Matter of fact, it was last year. I've been on YouTube a year, I think. I don't know. I think I've been on YouTube a year, man. I gotta go back down my old videos. But anyway, I was just trying to get to my subscribers, get monetized and all this stuff. But now that I'm monetized and doing all this stuff, man, got the content. So it's kind of like my lifestyle. Let y'all know what I do. Like when I get off of work, I still get out here and grind. You know what I'm saying? Try to bring in content, because at the end of the day, you gotta have content, gotta keep the channel going. Even if I don't get a watch, the watch time, I mean, you know, the views I want. But you just can't look at the views, man. It's just dedication, motivation, and staying consistent no matter what the video is about. At the end of the day, I'm staying consistent and I'm showing y'all like, hey, you know, this videos ain't gonna be just about this or what y'all might want to see all the time. So y'all just bear with me, man, and y'all just stay tuned. Like I said, it's a lifestyle. But right now we're at A1 Appliances. Hold on. Hey, Scoop. Hey, Scoop. Hey, you work here? You work here?
Yes, sir.
I got a dryer. I had called a while ago. I got a dryer. I was trying to drop off. I didn't know which way to park.
Yeah, you want to drop it off?
Yeah.
Just back up on them blue lines right there. I'll get you unloaded.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
I didn't want to put the camera in his face, man, so. I ain't want to be rude, put the camera all in his face and shit like that. I didn't want him to think this bitch a gun, too. About me got this big stick thing right here. But, yeah, man, that's where we at. This plant's place. Let's see how far I need to stop. Bag in a damn building, goddamn. I guess I'll stop right here. All right, guys. So we're gonna get this thing unloaded.
Yeah, kind of, but I mean, let's get it in.
Sir, man, it's another day, man. Welcome to the channel, man. Doing lifestyle. Big dog, yes, sir. So we finna go ahead and grab this dryer, man. They called me and told me the dryer's ready. Man, we back, so we finna go and get out, man. Go and get my dryer, see what this thing turking like. All right, guys, so we back home. Had to do a little sweeping and stuff like that, man. Finna go and put this thing back together, man. I hope they got me right. I don't remember this being like this. Or maybe it was, but we finna go and hook it up, man. Get these clothes dead. Need y'all open the box. Get the other blue box right there. Bring it over here. We're gonna put one on this pole and one on this pole. Take the green things off. Yep. All right, y'all. We should put some Christmas light, man. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna. Trying to see how I'm gonna do it. Here, later, god dog. So we trying to see how to do it, man. I might run some on top, and I don't know how I'm gonna do the rest because I don't think I got a ladder to go up this way. So, yep. So we finna kind of see. You gotta take this one off. Take this one off. What? Huh? Get the box. The blue box. Oh, okay. DJ, give me a tech. DJ, give me one.
Put you on better than privacy. And I know.
Hey, what y'all doing? Come on, DJ. You supposed to be helping with the light. All right, DJ. Here. Get this plug. Get this plug right here. And come on this side. Uh-oh. Oh, that thing backfired, nigga. Watch out. Hey, girl. DJ. All right, come over here, DJ. All right, plug this up to here. Good. Yeah. Yep. Just like that. Throw it on the plate. Throw it. Just like that. No, leave it like that. Go get the other.
I'm a chubby.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna try to put all on here. What? You stop. All right, get DJ the end with the plug-in part right there. DJ, you get that end? Hold on. Not that one, the other one. You can't really tangle these up. All right, get this in. And you're gonna plug it in. To that. Go stand back there. That's how far we going. All right, now I'm down. What you crying for? It's a leaf. It's a leaf. Okay? And just a leaf. Whoa. Just a leaf. Dang, how I'm gonna get up there? Watch out, Lev. Move your hand. It's dangerous what I'm doing. Oh, what that tape? Dang, look at that tape. I need you to test it. Hold it. It's gonna fall. Big piece. Yeah, everybody working. Okay, well, man. It's been a long day. Whew. All right, man, I'm officially done. And I'm looking at it. It's gonna look all right. Right now, it kind of look tech because it is in the daytime, but it's all good, man. But let me show y'all. That's basically it. And then the bushes over there, so that's basically it, man. But wait till I get done. Damn, it's the nighttime now. Ooh, that damn light bright. Let me give y'all a little thing of this. Give y'all a little show. Right here. Ain't too bad. I mean, shit, it is what it is, dog. It is what it is, dog. Got half of it on the side. All right, y'all. So this how we did it. Like I said, man, it's not too bad. It's just a little something we did. So yeah, need us a little more lights, man. But it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? I think we're gonna get some more. We're gonna get some more. We're gonna do some more flower beds in the front. I kind of like those better, but it's all good. And then we got them on around the house.